Again and again. 6 months I woke up at 10 a.m. I heard my mom's voice coming from outside or from the roof. It was a weird direction. I can't really tell where it came from, but it was outside of our house. The thing is, she was at work and something woke me up in my mom's voice calling my name. The whole day it was pretty foggy. Yesterday it happened again at 2 a.m., but this time it was inside the house. I was expecting some weird stuff looking at me, but nothing. I searched the whole house, nothing was here besides me. I thought to myself, what the FCK, that doesn't make any sense. I then just went back to back and said to myself I was just imagining it cause I was so tired. 30 minutes later. The trash bin in the kitchen has fallen over and my cats were asleep the whole time, and I woke up to the sound of the bin falling over. I decided to experiment around since I can't go to sleep anymore cause I'm too terrified. So I took the cat balls we had from our cat toy box. Cat balls are toys, when touched they blink or light up. I laid them in the kitchen and waited for a few minutes, nothing happened, and I decided to just forget it, and I went onto my PC. And I keep hearing things like footsteps up the wooden stairs or I'm being watched, and it only happens when I'm totally home alone. What do you guys think it is? Is it just me, or is there actually something, since I can't sleep since 2:30 in the morning?